everyone, and now in this video we will see how we can push the image to the Docker lab. Okay, so these are some of the steps which we have to follow to push the whatever we create the image for the Docker lab. Okay, as we it will be very beneficial. Suppose if you want to send some code or some part of like some of your project to someone else which works on a particular environment. Suppose that project works on Python 2.6 only. Okay, so then you can create the image of that and then you can send it to your friend, or then you can post it on the Docker Hub, and from there your friend can access it. Okay, so this is the very simple process. So for that, first of all, you will need to go on this particular website, that is Docker Hub. It's like hub.docker.com. Okay, and here if you don't have any account, then for that you will need to register first. It's very easy process to register. Actually, I have already an account on it. So what we can do, I will just sign in here. So this is the username which is required to push the image to the Docker Hub. Okay. So currently we are here on the dashboard. Okay. So now what we will be doing, like we had created the image, that is Kelsey. Okay. And now, we can do, we will create one more image for this project. Okay, that's sample.java. Okay, we have already Docker file here. We had done it in our last video. Okay, so this is the Docker file. So what we will do, we will basically create one image. Okay, so how we can do it? It's very simple. Docker build -p. Okay, and the name which you want to provide. Suppose I want to provide its name to calculator Java. Okay, this time I want to provide, and you just use dot. Okay. So you can see images being created. Now if you search for Docker images, so here you will see calculator Java has been created, and the tag is latest because we are not provided any kind of tag to it. That's why it's showing latest. Okay. So just clear the screen, and again let me just search. Okay, so this is the image has been created. Okay, so now here if you will check, and you will see like whatever the image we create, we don't provide the actual format of that. So we need to change the format using this command, like docker tag and whatever the image name, if version name is present, and we write the version name and then the name in the format way in which through which we can post that image to the Docker Hub. Okay, so that how we can do. Let's see. So it's this you have to provide Docker, and then you have to provide the tag and the name of the image which you have created. So here the name is calculator Java. Okay, so calculator Java. Okay, and the name will be followed by your username. So my username is 9@7456/ and whatever the name which you want to give. Suppose I want to give it as the calculator app, and I will provide the version. So I will provide the version name as version 1.0. Okay, let's hit enter. And now if you like and search for Docker images, you will see one image has been created with the name, and the tag is version 1.0. Okay. So now what you will need to do, you will need to just do Docker login, okay, to push that image to the Docker Hub. So Docker login is required. Okay, so here it is showing me like I'm already authenticated here. Okay, so if I will open up some new terminal and if I will search here Docker login. Okay, it's already my account is already authenticated. That's why it's not asking me for the username and password. But when you will do it, you will need to enter your username and the password. Okay, so it's fine. Now what I will do, the last command which we'll use is docker push and whatever the image name which we have. So we have this image name. We will need to copy this whole. Okay, so okay, push and the version in which you will need to provide it, and the version name is version 1.0. Okay, So here wait them. So the push refers to repository this. So it will now push our project to on the Docker. Okay. That's when it will take some time. So it's of 323.6 MB. Okay. So as you can see, it is swingly mounted from Ayush this Galaxy app. Okay. Was there also any? No. Actually, I had already pushed to one image with the same name for the testing. That's why it's showing that. Just wait till the completion. I just pause the video. Okay. I will come back when this will complete. It will see now it is pushed. Okay. So if you check here, if we reload this, okay, so anyway, you will see one image is pushed here, okay, and this is the same name which we had given, like calculator app, okay, and if you click on the public view, you will get to know how you can pull this image, okay, so this is the command which we use to pull the image actually, okay. So it is the simple one, okay. So you might get confused why mounted and all. So to clear all this, if you want to, you can give it like this, colon and then version 1.0. But now I don't want it. Just hit dot. Okay. So let's just clear the screen. If you check for Docker images, so here you will see this one. I use some this. Okay. Oh, sorry, not this one. Yeah, here. Here we have Hello Python. Okay. So this is created. Now we can just push it using Docker push, and the name which we have is the Ayush 987456 slash hello Python. Okay. So here you can see this preparing and waiting. It will take some time. Okay. Okay, it is now doing all the from library Python. Fine. Okay. I just pause, okay, and we'll wait. Let's pause. Okay, so here you can see it is just pushed all the things. If you will check again on the repositories there in the section, and here you will see Hello Python is there. And if you click on public view, so this one is the command which we'll be using. Okay. So now what we will do, I just go into the Docker images and I just remove this one. Docker RMI remove image, and the name of the image should be okay. Again, I'll remove if I can check. Okay, fine. There is no images. So now what we can do? Where is the yeah? Instead of RMI, we can do now pull. Okay. So now it's pulling me the source from the Docker. Okay, status downloaded. If you will again check for Docker images, so you will see we have this one. And if you want to run, you can run it using Docker run and the control V if will do this one. And the here you can see the content, whatever the content we had written. It's showing us here. If you check app.py, so this is first image, current directories printing, and all the files which are present there. Okay. So in this way, you can push the image to the Docker hub. You can pull the image from the Docker hub. Okay. And also this will help you to what we say. You can easily share your project to other person as well. Okay. So that's it for us. I hope you liked it. Okay. If you have any queries, you can ask in the comment section. That's all for this video. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.